Today we'll be making crab masala curry. Hello and welcome to Indian Curry Recipes. Make sure you clean the crab really well. Take off all the sand from it. This dish will require less salt. Add 1 inch ginger, 8 to 10 Kashmiri red chilies, 5 to 6 garlic pods, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 medium chopped onion, 1 cup grated coconut, and 5 to 6 kokum peels. You'll get this in Indian shop, or you can put 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste as a substitute. With 1 cup of water, grate this really well. Make sure you open up and you clean the lid and take out any bits and bobs and grind it again to a smooth paste. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of 100% coconut oil. Add the curry paste little at a time and stir this for 5 minutes. Cover and cook. After 5 minutes, scrape all the sides and put the crab pieces to it. You add 1 cup of water to it and salt as per your taste. Now cook this for another 15 minutes and add a little bit more water if you require it. You can enjoy with chapati or rice of your choice. Thank you so much for watching Indian Curry Recipes. Do subscribe for more recipes. Thank you. Bye.